Hey, it's Justin. I want to take just a few minutes to tell you why I created the 30-day sales sprint. Right now, we're in a tough economy and budgets are tight. Opportunities are harder to come by, and most people are either being laid off, underperforming, or just trying to figure out how to survive. But here's the truth. Sales is the most powerful skill you can learn. And if you double down right now, if you sharpen your skills in this season, you'll come out of this economy stronger, more confident, and way ahead of the people who stood still. That's why I built this sprint. Because I don't believe you should have to spend $5,000 or $10,000 just to get better at what you already do. This sprint is only $47 because I want it to be affordable, accessible, and packed with value. I'm looking for 200 professionals, sales reps, founders, closers, who want to get better together over the next 30 days. So here's what you're going to get. Immediate access to 4 fundamental and foundational modules that cover the real skills you need to learn how to prospect, how to handle objections, how to control the conversation, how to close with confidence. You'll also gain access to our private Facebook group where I coach live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That's where we will role play. That's where we will answer real questions. That's where we get better together. This sprint is built for people who are done overthinking and ready to start executing. So if you're one of those people, if you want to sell better, lead better, and close better, then I want you in this cohort. We start June 9th, so we start soon, and I can't wait to work with you.